video will be treating past questions from SSC and UTME examinations. The first one here is 2018 SSC examination. It says, enumerate the differences between public enterprises and public companies. So let's put this in a tabular form. The first one here is formation. Formation of public enterprises is done by act of parliament by the government, while formation of public corporations is done by promoters according to Company Act. Then under the purpose for their formation, public enterprises are formed for provision of essential services to the public, while public companies are formed majorly to maximize profit. Then under ownership, public enterprises are owned by the government, while public companies are owned by shareholders. And lastly, under the sources of funds, public enterprises source funds from grants from government and also from taxpayers' monies. Then public companies are funded by capital and investments and also selling of shares and debentures to members of the public and also their shareholders. Then the second question from SSC 2003, it says, a partner with an unlimited liability is known as A, dormant partner, B, nominal partner, C, general partner, and D, an active partner. The answer here is an active partner. We know that an active partner has an unlimited liability in the business because its function is just as so close to the function of a general partner. And the third one from UTME 2015 says, a major factor that affects business operation is A, technology, B, supply, C, rivalry, and D, products. The answer here is rivalry. In a condition whereby partners and firms are not in agreement with one another, such would definitely affect their business operation. And also, let's consider the question from UTME 2009. It says, one of the major problems of a sole proprietor is sourcing for A, raw materials, B, labor, C, machineries, and D, funds. The answer here is D, funds. We know as a sole proprietor, he bears the liabilities of the company alone. Also, he has to source for the capital of his business alone. So funds might actually be one of the major problems he will encounter. Thank you.